Meaning of escape.
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 Escape. Escape can have a variety of meanings depending on the context in which it is used. Generally, it refers to the act of getting away from something or someone, or avoiding a situation. It can also refer to a feeling of relief or release from a difficult or stressful situation. In computing, escape refers to the use of special characters to indicate that certain characters should be interpreted in a different way. Overall, the concept of escape involves breaking free from something, whether it be physical, emotional, or linguistic.